हेलो गाइस, आपका फिर से स्वागत है मेरा चैनल में। मैं हूं एस्ट्रो तिरु और आज हम आपको दिखाएंगे अपना बूट कैंप जो हमने रिसेंटली किया था बर्लिन में। और इससे पहले अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और सब्सक्राइब करिए और कमेंट करके आप बिल्कुल बताना कि आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा, क्योंकि ये वीडियो हमने आपके लिए बनाया है और आई होप आपको ये पसंद आए।
Hello guys, very good afternoon. Do you guys speak English? No. Okay, no worries. Okay, lovely. Thanks. Good day. Bye.
हमने रैंडमली लोगों से पूछा कि क्या वो एस्ट्रोलॉजी पे बिलीव करते हैं या नहीं करते हैं। आपको बड़ा शॉक होगा सुन करके कि यहाँ पे मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल जब उन्होंने एस्ट्रोलॉजी वर्ड सुना ना तो उनका कुछ चेहरा ऐसे हो गया था। आप अगर देखें,
We have an Instagram channel and we are doing a little quiz. That's very easy. Many people answer the questions. And if you answer me correctly, I'll give you a free consultation. And you will be wondering what consultation? I'm an astrologer.
No! God, please, no! No!
Not interested?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, guys. Bye.
मेरे को लगता है काफी बार लैंग्वेज की वजह से लोग समझ नहीं पाए, इंग्लिश बोलते हैं बट दे वर मे बी नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन द क्विज।
A few moments later.
Hello, guys. Do you speak English? No? Okay. Have a good day. Bye.
जब मैंने कुछ स्टार्ट करी थी ना तो स्टार्टिंग में मैं थोड़ा डिमोटिवेटेड हो गया था कि कोई खेलना ही नहीं चाहता है ना। पर मैंने सोचा यार देखो, मैं के लिए आप लोगों के लिए कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग बनाना चाहता हूँ, समथिंग दैट कैन एंगेज यू एज वेल, कि एस्ट्रोलॉजी का कितना नॉलेज है लोगों को।
So far we have got no interviews yet, but don't worry, it's all about being staying motivated and we'll surely make one interview. So hang on, guys. Hello, hi. My name is Vikram and I'm an astrologer and I have an Instagram channel. So we are doing a little quiz. It will take like 5 to 10 minutes. Are you guys interested?
लेकिन मुझे कुछ ऐसे भी लोग मिले जिन्हें एस्ट्रोलॉजी में बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट था एंड दे वर वेरी एक्साइटेड टू प्ले द क्विज और उन्होंने सही जवाब भी दिए मुझे।
Yes? Okay, that's lovely. So guys, is it okay that we shoot the interview? Is it okay?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Andrea.
Andrea, nice to meet you. So I'm going to ask you 2 simple questions and if you give me correct answers, I'll give you a free astrological reading for any subject. Okay, so what's the capital of India? Mumbai or Delhi? It's okay, 50-50.
Delhi.
Yeah, that's correct. Lovely. She is smart actually. Lovely. Okay, the second question. No worries, but answer is right. Congratulations. The last one that can give you a free consultation. And I'll choose, what is the zodiac sign for love? Is it Leo or is it Pisces?
For love?
Yeah. I think you're lucky. Leo? Mind blowing. She's correct. Absolutely correct. So congratulations. What you have to do for the free consultations, you have to follow my channel. Give me a moment. Do you have Instagram?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give you my flyer. That's my flyer. Astro Tiru. You can follow me. And you just have to text me free consultation and I'll get back to you within 24 hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, boy.
That's it. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you, Andrea. Bye bye.
Bye.
जब बाद में थोड़ी चीजें ठीक हुई तो डेफिनेटली हमने कुछ क्विजेस कैप्चर करे और वो मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूंगा।
My name is Vikram. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Tiago.
Tiago, nice to meet you. I have an Instagram channel and I'm doing a little quiz. I'll ask you 2 questions, very simple. And if you answer me that, I'm going to give you a free consultation for your future. You can ask me anything. Would you like to go for it? Actually, it was his quiz, but you can also answer.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Lovely. So,
Answer it.
lovely. So, first question I'll ask you, what is the capital of India? Is it Mumbai or Delhi?
Delhi.
Ah, lovely, that's correct. So, how many hours are in 3 days?
How many? Sorry.
How many hours? Wie viele Stunden in 3 Tage?
Wie viele Stunden der 72?
I have no clue. How many?
27. 27. Yeah.
Wait for it. Here it comes.
There, 720.
72.
Yeah,
That's correct. Lovely. So you have won a free astrological reading from my side. What you have to do, you have to follow me on Instagram and just DM me free consultation and I'll get back to you within 24 hours.
Okay.
Do you have Instagram?
Yes, yes.
Lovely. I'll show you my QR code. Where are you from, guys?
Portugal.
Portugal.
Portugal. Super.
A few moments later.
Hello, guys. Do you speak English little bit?
Yes.
Okay, my name is Vikram and I have an Instagram channel. I'm doing a small quiz here.
Okay.
I'm going to ask you 2 questions. If you give me the right answer, hi.
Hi.
Right answer, hi.
Hi.
So I'm going to give you a free astrological reading. You want to try? Lovely.
okay.
What's your name?
My name is Gisela.
Isela, nice to meet you. So the first question is, what's the capital of India? Delhi or Mumbai?
What?
It's Delhi or Mumbai. I give you an option.
Deliar.
Ah, perfect. She is smart, guys. Okay, so the second question is gonna be a little difficult. I'm gonna ask you, which is the biggest planet in the universe? Is Jupiter or Mars?
Jupiter.
That's correct. Amazing. So you have won a free consultations. So what do you have to do? You have to follow me on Instagram and DM me free consultation, and I'll get back to you in 24 hours. What's your name? Mark. Mark, nice to meet you. Guys, I really like your motivation. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you a very simple question. What is the zodiac sign for the power? Is it Capricorn or is it Cancer?
Power.
For power. Power marked.
Yeah. Capricorn?
Ah, lovely, is correct. Amazing. Okay, the last question is, which planet controls the gravity on Earth? Is it Mars or Moon?
Moon.
Ah, lovely. So you have to follow me on Instagram and I'll give you a free consultation. Any question you would ask me. You have Instagram? Yeah. Lovely. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Astro Thiru and I'm here live in Berlin from Alexanderplatz. I'm playing a quiz with people. So far so good, and I must say people gave me all the correct answers. So let's see who is ready to take my challenge. We'll check around with people who has the courage to answer my questions.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, very good afternoon. Do you speak English? Little bit. Okay, my name is Vikram and I'm an astrologer. So I'm playing a little quiz here and I will ask you.
You should ask us first before you film if you're okay with it.
Yes. Are you okay with that?
I don't want to play this.
You don't want to play this? It's very easy, no? Okay, thank you so much for your time. Bye. Same here. Bye.
और एक चीज़ मैं आपको बता दूं, अगर आप नए यूट्यूबर्स हैं तो कभी भी आप अगर किसी को अप्रोच करें जर्मनी में, क्योंकि मैं जर्मनी में रहता हूँ, मैं यहाँ बता सकता हूँ आपको, तो नेवर एवर स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग देम विदाउट देयर कंसर्न. ठीक है, ये बहुत ही बड़ा लीगल ऑफेंस है और आपको उसके रिप्रिकॉशंस झेलने पड़ सकते हैं. बट पीपल आर वेरी काइंड, दे इन्फॉर्म्ड मी एंड आई एक्सेप्टेड देयर प्रिवेसी. अगर आपको ये बूट कैंप पसंद आया तो प्लीज शो सम लव, सब्सक्राइब द बटन, लाइक इट, शेयर इट, कमेंट करके बताइए. अगर आप चाहते हैं तो हम ऐसा बूट कैंप और बनाएंगे और हम जर्मनी में जा सकते हैं, किसी दूसरे शहरों में, हम यूरोप के किसी दूसरे शहर में जा सकते हैं जहाँ पे लोग इंग्लिश बोलें, जाहिर सी बात है. ठीक है, तो विल ट्राई आवर बेस्ट. थैंक यू सो मच. स्टे ट्यून फॉर नेक्स्ट वीडियो. स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए. बाय बाय.